After using this ingredient, you'll never use any lipstick. Your lips will look naturally pink. We all know how important a nice smile is. It can enhance the beauty of a person significantly. Moreover, if your lips look pink and healthy, the beauty becomes stunning. However, many people aren't gifted with pink lips. Instead, many people have darker pale lips which are not appealing at all. Dark and pale lips can occur due to many reasons, including heredity, poor health, hectic lifestyle, change in weather, illness, chewing tobacco, chemotherapy, excessive use of fluoride, and excessive smoking. Fortunately, there is an easy way to get naturally pink lips. Steps to get naturally pink lips. 1. Homemade scrub for removing dark layer from your lips. You can prepare this scrub quite easily. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt. Instructions: first, take a bowl and mix the ingredients well. Then, using a cotton ball, dab the mixture on the lips. Next, use your finger to massage the mixture gently for 1 minute. You will notice that your lips are becoming smoother and softer. Finish by rinsing the lips with a washcloth and pat them dry. 2. Homemade lip balm. The following lip balm should be used 3 to 4 times a day. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 3/4 teaspoon honey. Instructions: you should mix all the ingredient with a spoon and store it in a jar with a lid. Apply this lip balm throughout the day. 3. Night lip balm. All you should do is take oil from 1 vitamin E capsule and apply this all over your lips. Repeat the procedure every night before going to bed. Additional tips for keeping your lips bright and pink. There are some other tips you should also start following to enhance your overall beauty, improve the skin quality, and keep your lips naturally pink. Use a lip balm with SPF 15 or higher to protect your lips from sun damage. Avoid smoking as it causes your lips to become wrinkled and thin. Drink plenty of water. Limit the intake of coffee and tea drinks, and drink water whenever possible. Avoid alcohol. Sleep with a humidifier, which will add moisture to the air and keep your skin soft.